Hey everybody, welcome to Watch Me Practice Trading, March Market Madness Edition. This is video number 24 in a series of 31, where I basically do one video for every day of March, so 31 in total. And we did 8 videos for March 1st, 9 for March 2nd. We're now doing March 3rd. We did 6 videos I did 6 videos for the morning of March 3rd, Friday, March 3rd, and now we did 5 for the morning. We started one at 12:50, and this one here is going to start at 1:20 p.m. We started on March 1st with an account of $35,000, and we've grown that to $126,023. And let's see how this goes. Let's get this party started. So we still have some lines. Let's take a recap on where things kind of are, because I'm not quite sure I fully remember from last time. Looks like we had a little bit of a rundown here. So this is March 1st, I believe. Yep, March 1st. It sold off. It kind of went down. Let's see. Open was somewhere in here. So let's say it went from like 12:50. Looks like it went down to around 8:37. It came back up here on the 2nd. And then on Friday, it did a nice move. Let's see, where was open? This is at night. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So somewhere in this candle here, I forgot exactly where, but so we've run up a bunch, right? It's at 289, high of 296 for the day so far. Some nice moves up. I drew some lines earlier, and I don't think that those really matter right now, so we can like remove these. Let's see. I had speculated that we would go down here, I believe. So I had a target up here or down here. I guess this was a range, I think. Actually, maybe both of these were ranges. And let's see if we have anything to the left over here. Whoa. So we've got something here just above 300. Maybe we'll put that line down. Everything else is kind of below. Yeah. So let's take a peek at our regular chart. So we're long. We are long. We're long. We're long. So I think we're long. If all 4 charts are saying that. These are tick charts. These are time charts. 5 minute at the top and 1 hour at the bottom. We also have day charts. I believe 12,000 was the weekly open. Let's see here. Okay. So we hit this high just under 300, and we're kind of doing a pullback here. So I'm guessing we might pull back maybe as far as like 70. We could potentially go down like this far here. Or maybe right around here, and then it'll continue to go up. So let's fire this up and see kind of what happens. Should we step it up a little bit? Maybe do lots of 4 instead of 3. I don't know. Let's see. Let's see how it goes. So maybe we missed this entry right here already. Let's do an exploratory. Actually, let's not do 4. We'll do 4 later. We'll do 3 for now, just in case it pulls back to like here. Let's draw a little line to kind of help me remember that we might go down to here. Potentially. Okay, I'm glad nothing happened. I went into the other room to get a drink. So, what happened here? Was this just now? Oh no, I think I put this in after. Yeah, maybe we're going to miss this. It's no fun if it goes without us. Not a great place to enter. I mean, there's momentum long, but still, got up here, came down, got here, came down, a little bit of higher high here. We got 300 right here. This is our target that we had on the line that's not showing up for whatever reason. The line that's only on the hour chart. Potentially fade territory here, but I don't do fade. Let's get rid of our entry, our long. Got some resistance up here, potential level being formed. Well, let's go with the premise that it might actually go up. We made enough this morning. See, what do we do for today? So even if we get dinged a little bit, not a huge deal. We did almost 49,000 today. And if it turns on us and goes south, that would suck, but I think we can handle it. So it's been holding this line, except for here where it went to the white line. So now is it going to make its move? These are very close. These are only like 1.5, 2 ticks apart, or 2 points apart. Let's get rid of those, just in case we do some kind of crazy sell-off. Let's see, when's 1:30? So it's about 5 minutes away. I mean, this is holding. Call it 95. 95 is like holding so far, but it just takes one. It just takes one. So we had a level at 93, got another one at 93 3/4. It stinks we didn't get in here. What, at like 89-ish? See, I don't want to long here because it's the high of the day. And I'll call this like, we've had some sideways action here for like 20 minutes, almost 15 minutes. This is like a breakout, and usually had bad luck with those. There's 300. It is holding that line. It's like, where's that other line? So this is a more dangerous line up here than 300. Let's dabble. Dabble with one. See if it kind of runs down a little bit to pick us up. 97. So that's it, just a couple points. Ooh, what was that? I wasn't paying attention how many ticks were left. It was kind of abrupt. So you know what? Since it's so close to 130, just in case, we'll do a stop down here. We got 40 seconds to go. So we'll flip this to 3. We'll go sell here. Just go slightly in profit, 1 point in profit. So that's like $60. So this one's going to stay because I made it on this chart here. So it's not going to move. So 130, we're at 300. We're close to this level here. Let's see if something interesting happens. I'm going to let it take us out if it gets down to 97. So it got to 303. Yeah, it's going to take us out here, I think. Can make sure everything's out. So we made a little bit, a couple bucks, $65. Okay, pull back. How far? Oh, nice move. It's a shame it took us out. So 96.75. Our entry was at 95.50. Yeah, we could have stayed in this one. So big moves up. Here, we'll do this. So it's been doing two things. It comes to the white line, rides the other line, white line, other line-ish, white line. So we're in for 6 long. This is a good spot for it to reverse. Oh, I didn't see it move up. Darn it. I thought it was still down here. That's fine. What are we in for 15 now? Let's see. Let's drop 3 up here. We'll lose that one. Okay, now would be nice to recapture this line and head up to like 303. Let's see, how much is that going to be from here to here? $85. We're back at that level. Do we want to get out of this? It's struggling. But it might be holding this level at 95. That's crazy. Look at that. Right at our break even. How do it know? Oh, that's a trail. That was a quick push up there. How far they moved from like 4, about 8 points. Not too bad. Just wish our break even was a little lower. Here we'll do so 45. This candle just closed green. Green. 4,000 left on this one. Got too many lines and boxes and stuff over here. Let me get rid of some of these. I don't like how it's going sideways and we're right in the middle of it. Very wicky here. Maybe this is going to be the push up. We'll drop 3 here. Okay, here we go. Oops, break here. You can do it. Go, go, go. Oh, I might hold it. I might break it. Volatility is a little weird right now. Maybe people are waiting for 2 o'clock. There it goes. Okay. Oh, no, we need to sell 12. Too close. Let's do this. I don't like how this is going, so we'll see if we can go up any higher. And we'll just put this in here. Wait, what do we do? $244. We'll take 3 more off here at like 308 even. You can do it. It's about $300 right there if we get taken out. I mean, we're really holding that level there. Nothing else to the left. So if this is a range, we're smack dab in the middle-ish. So let's see. Let's draw. Actually, we don't need to draw another line. We'll just drop this one here. Yes. We wanted to break that. We broke that. Now go up here to 308, and we'll see if something happens up there. And I think it's going to make it there. It's a longish video, 37 minutes already. Okay, we got taken out there. So now we're in for 9. Right, 9, where is it? It's down here. Yep, 9. Okay, it took us out. 1674. Probably at the bottom. Look at that. Look at that big honking red right there. Yeah. Make sure we clear everything else out. You know, we'll stop it here. And we'll start the next one at 154. So it ripped down, took out our stop, which was kind of tight. I was just concerned, right? Because this is a high. This is a freaking level right here. We sold 3 right there, expecting maybe something will happen here at 308-ish. And yeah, I would say that it did. Yeah, right, because we were, what was this? 308 even and went up to 308.25. So it just went 1 tick above us and did a reversal. And then a pretty, I mean, this isn't it's relatively big to the rest of them body wise, but it's actually not a lot of points. I mean, it went down to what, 302? That's only 6 points. But still, it flashed down a lot quicker than it did previously with all these. And that's probably like one of the biggest candles so far. Wish that stop was tighter, but whatever. So how would I rate this one? I'd say B-. I don't like this entry here. I was anticipating it not going back as far as it did, which, I mean, it still wasn't a lot. It was only like 6 points or something like that. I was thinking about getting in a little bit heavier over here, but I didn't want to risk it. We were in at 15 at our max, right? And I think with this account right now, with like 126,000, we can do like 30-ish. So, you know, we don't want to go absolutely to the limit, but, you know, we could have gone a little bit more. But not bad. 1674. We're approaching the 2 o'clock hour for the next video, number 25. And we'll see how that goes. See if it continues on up or if this 308 level is going to be a thing and it's going to come back. Because, I mean, it's been pretty extended for quite some time, right? If we look at the 5-minute, look at that. You know, hit the opening range high over here, pulled back. Not quite to, well, it pulled back to the 50, and then it kind of tinkered around the 75 range, went to the opening range high, took off. And I mean, this is all extended like ever since, man, when did that start? Started like 7:30 this morning. Yeah, like around here. So it's been pretty extended. You know, we're due for a pullback, you know, a deep one. I don't know if it'll be this afternoon or in the next hour, but it's a potential. Or is it just going to hold this line here, which it's been doing pretty nicely? It hasn't even gotten to the white line since before 11, which is what, 3 hours ago almost. So pretty good. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.